Good afternoon again, everyone. So today I'll be taking a class on the unit population. Okay. So I hope everyone have joined.
Uh, Excuse me, ma'am. I just
Yes.
wanted to ask one question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, yesterday, like our class here, she has sent our roll numbers for this roll call in attendance book, but the roll number were all different. Like, will the roll number will remain same or will get different roll numbers for
No,
this second
actually,
year?
you all know you will be having the same roll number. Okay, like the one which you got in your first year. So the same run because here in EDTU we are registering you right in your first year. So once you are registered with that number, the entire 4 years you will be with that number. Okay.
But ma'am, yesterday our class here, she sent us one photo of that attendance book. In that attendance book, everybody's roll number was written serially according to number, but not according to that enrollment number.
Okay, that one thing you have to talk with your class teacher. Okay, so your class CR, please talk with her. It should be according to the enrollment number. Okay, because if you go serially, it might be 57, but if you go to the enrollment with the enrollment number, it goes up to 66 because in between some of your classmates have left now last time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so no problem for that. It can be you just let the class CR talk with your ma'am. I know. Okay. So with that,
Okay, ma'am.
they can make some changes, but it will be the same one. Okay, so like how your roll number, how it was in first year. So with that same roll number, you'll be you going proceeding for your second year, third year, even 4 year. Okay, so in all the 4 years, you'll
Okay,
be
ma'am.
getting your mark sheet, everything in that roll number, same roll number. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you.
fine. So I'll be starting with the class. I'll be sharing my slides now. Okay, I hope my slide is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so today I'll be taking a very brief topic on the brief introduction about the topic population explosion. Okay, so do you have any idea what do you mean by population? I think this thing is not new. Every time we say that, right, population. What do you think? What do you mean by population? Yes, anyone? Huh? Population.
People
The
around
unusual growth of population.
geographical area.
Okay, you have okay, you're telling about population explosion. Yes, that is also correct. But population means it is the number of individual residing in any part of any. Suppose if you see, for example, if you want to know about state population, means that amount the number of people which is present in that particular state. Or if you go in the national level, then the number of people in a particular country. So population means it is the whole number of people or inhabitants in a country or a region. Like we individual, we are also a part of the population. Yes or no? And especially
Yes.
India, you know that India, it is the second most populous country next to China. Yes. So what happens?
Yes,
So it is a very a very great this one not sorry not great it's a very a big issue because what happened with increased population so many problems might come up like the people might they might not be getting adequate medical facilities, people might be not getting adequate job, and even there is less housing, people they cannot like everything. So whenever the population increases, even the even the problems, so many problems might occur because of increased population. So if you say the word population means it is the number of people residing in a country or any region. And the word population explosion from the word itself, explosion is like bomb, like explosion means it's something which happens very suddenly and in a very large number of people. So population explosion, it is a sudden and a very large increase in the size and the number of the population. And all this thing, how it happens, like a bomb, like what happened when you blow a bomb? A bomb also, it happens within a second, it will erupt, right? So the same thing, if we talk about population explosion, that means it is the sudden and a very rapid increase of population in a particular region of the country. Yeah. So in a simple words, why does this population explosion occurs? So there are two main things which comes in here. First is your birth rate. Okay. So what happens if the birth rate increases and if the death rate decreases? So obviously, if the number of people who are born, if they are more, and if the people who are dying, if they are less, then there will not be any balance in that, right? Yes or no? Because if in order to control the population, both sides should be balanced. That means if two people are born today, then two people also, if they are dying today, that same day, then our population will be balanced. But here what happened in population explosion? Because of the increase in the birth rate and decrease in the death rate, there is a very large explosive increase in the population. So this is what we call population explosion. Okay. So populations, like I've already said, it can also, another definition, it says it may be defined as a group of organisms of the same species. Like if, for example, we can take human beings. So human being also, we are one species, okay, occupying a particular space. An explosion, like I have said, it is a very sudden and a very fast increase. Okay, it happens suddenly and fast. And overpopulation, it is a condition when an organism number exceeds the carrying capacity of its habitat. Okay, suppose for example in one area, the actual in that actual area 100 people only should stay, but because what happened, because of overpopulation, 1,000 people are staying. So if that type of condition, it is called as a overpopulation. So what happens, because of that 1,000 people are staying instead of 100, so many things, problems will come up. People are not getting enough space, they are not getting enough water to drink, enough food to eat. So all those problems comes because of overpopulation. Okay, so this is just how, okay, the condition of our earth because of overpopulation. Okay, so I hope till now everyone is clear. Okay, what do you mean by population explosion and overpopulation? So okay, can anyone of you contribute, what can be the causes of overpopulation or population explosion? I have already mentioned 2 points. Yes, anyone?
Unemployment problem.
Not proper planning of the family. Ma'am, not proper planning of
Okay, family planning. Yes, family planning. Okay, then any others?
Hello?
Anyone?
Ma'am, lack of education.
Yes, lack of education or illiteracy is also one of the main factors for population explosion. Then any other?
Ma'am, inadequate sex education.
Yes. Okay, correct. Then okay, just take it away. What happened? Like nowadays, old people are what? Their lifespan, it increases more. Yes, expectancy compared to previous days. Why do you think so? The lifetime, the life expectancy of this old people nowadays, it is more as compared, right? Okay, anyhow, I'll be seeing the point one by one. Okay, so why does it happen? Because of the improvement in the medical facilities. Okay, because of technology, because of good medical checkup, because of so many advanced technology, people are able to take care of their problem, of their health, and because of that, old age people, they are living more, or they are having a very more life expectancy. Okay, so what are the main causes of population explosion? Okay, so I have already mentioned some views. Increase in birth rate, okay, decrease in death rate, better medical facilities. Okay, if you see, because of this, what happened, people, like for example, even cancer. Okay, cancer is a condition, like if it is in the previous days, like people, once we get cancer, means it's like the end. But nowadays, if you treat it at the early stage, people can still survive for a few more years. Okay, so that is like just few example of medical facilities. And even if you see for the old age people also, like because of the rapid increase in the technology and because of the advance, okay, everything in and people are being able to take care of themselves before anything adverse thing happen. Okay, so because of that also, there is a main cause of population explosion. Increase immigration, okay, then decrease in immigration. Illiteracy, like some of you have already mentioned, okay, illiteracy. So these factors, these are the main causes of population explosion. Okay, so we'll be seeing one by one. Okay, if you come to the first one, what does it say? It is the increase in the birth rate. Okay, so what is a birth rate? It is the number of child which is born per 1,000 people per year. Okay, so obviously, if the increase in birth rate occurs and if the decrease in death rates, so there is no balance in those, and because of that, there is an overpopulation. Okay, and with advent in better medical facilities, economic prosperities, then social beliefs. So social beliefs, how does it comes into factors? Like if you see in a country like India, okay, people are still having so many beliefs, even if it comes to family planning. They don't want to use any family planning, okay, in order to prevent pregnancy. They don't want to follow the, and because of preference for any male child, okay, they will keep on delivering and they will keep on giving, they will keep on having more children, okay, because of they have the strong preference for us. So as long as I don't have any male child, they'll keep on having more and more children. So because of that also, that is one of the main factors in increase in birth rate. Okay, so all these, it causes an overpopulation. Okay, so the next is decrease in the death rate. Okay, so the death rate is also same. It is expressed in units of deaths by the 1,000 per year. And like I've already said, so why does increase in death rate occur, decrease in death rate occurs? Because of the rapid technology development, and also because of because people nowadays, they are really very health conscious. Everyone knows that we need to be physically active, we need to do some exercise, we need to take some supplements, vitamins. So because of all these factors, people, even though they are in their old age, still they are healthy because they are able to get all the benefits because of the rapid technological advances. Okay, so if we come to the third factors, it is a better medical facilities. So all those things also, it will come in the same manner. Okay, like I told about cancer. Okay, and even some few examples like tuberculosis. Actually, tuberculosis is a very infectious disease in the previous era. Okay, but now what happened? Even if the people, if they get tuberculosis, they don't die from tuberculosis unless if there is any associated complication. Okay, so this is just, we can see how much advances the medical technologies has become. So the next is increase immigration. So immigration means people who are coming from outside to stay in our area. Suppose people from, for example, people from Meghalaya, they come to Assam. That is an example of immigration. Or people from Bangladesh coming to Assam or coming to any part of India. That means, that is the meaning of immigration. So why do you think, what is the main causes of immigration? It is mostly why, because people especially people who are in a very remote areas, they don't get a very good opportunities, be it for job, be it for education. So for that purpose, people are coming and immigrating to the cities. So that's why if you see an example is, I can give is like Guwahati city. If you see Guwahati, among all the parts of Assam, it is a very highly populated. Why? Because it is a center for education, the center for job, where the people are getting job here, they are working here. So because of that, people, they are immigration. And because of that increase in immigration, it causes overpopulation in that particular area. Okay. And the next is the decrease immigration. So immigration means people going outside of the country. For example, people who are going outside of India to US. That is the meaning of immigration. Okay. So what happened now, especially if you see, if the people like, if they're already getting so much facilities in that particular country, so they don't go again to search for another job in another country or to go for any other. So because of that, it causes decrease in immigration. And if the people are not moving out, that means it causes more and more overpopulation. Okay. Then illiteracy, like some of you have already said, then because of some social beliefs, okay, Then because of lack of knowledge towards any family planning. Okay, related to family planning, you all will be having in this unit only, we will be discussing about the different methods of family planning. Okay, family planning means it is a method of prevention, contraception, or prevention of pregnancy. Okay, so it is one of the most important factors which we need to focus on population explosion, or which we need to focus when we talk about population controlling. Okay, then like I've said, the desire for male child, this is also one of the main factors which might cause overpopulation. Okay, so the other factors is like similarly I have said, customs, beliefs, okay, urbanization, industrialization, then better health facilities. Okay, some of these I have already said in the previous slides. Okay, then good housing condition, if you have a very good environment, that is also can cause. Then early marriage, yes, early marriage is a very important factor, because what happens if a child, okay, if a girl get married at a very early age, usually for a girl, what we consider a reproductive age, it is from 14 to almost 40, 44, 45. Okay, so if a girl get married very early at the age of 16, so her reproductive age also, it is becoming more. Yes, because within 14 years or 15 years to 40 years, if she get married very early, then she will have many children. And that also can be one of the main factors which might cause this overpopulation. Okay, because the earlier she got married, the longer will be her reproductive age. Okay, then what are the effects of overpopulation? Okay, first of all, there's overuse of natural resources. So do you know right, what are natural resources?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you name few?
Coal, oil,
Yes, coal, oil, the most important one which we cannot survive without that.
oxygen,
Air,
trees.
water, okay, so soil.
yes,
So what happened if people are there more, if overpopulation is there, what happened? Obviously, instead of that, if you have suppose an example of water, even so, if you see now in many parts of the world, okay, people are having scarcity of water. Why? Because our population, it is increasing and increasing, but our resources are, well, they are not renewable, right? Because some resources are not renewable. So because of that, people are not getting enough natural resources. So why does it happen? Because of overpopulation. Okay, increase in food demands. Obviously, if the number of people are more, then we need to be, and so the amount which needs to be fed, we also it will be more. So because of that increase in population, there is increase in the demand for food. Okay, increase in waste generation. So the more people will be there, the more waste will be created, the more waste will be left, or more waste will be created. Okay, unemployment. So if you see example is like in India, many youths, even though they are master degrees, still what happened? They are not getting any job. So all this why it happens? Because of our population. Okay, so our population is increasing, but the job, it is not increasing. Yes, the job opportunities, it's still lagging. So because of that also, this is one of the most important factors which affects population explosion. Then poverty. Yes, because of, especially if you see in a country like India, because we are still a developing country, right? So sometimes because of political issues or something, what happened? All the people, they are not getting all the equal distribution of all the facility. So like be it food, be it your medical facilities, and all this also it affects the health of the people. Okay, then increase in crime rate. Yes, because what happened if the people are left without job, then what do? They become drug addicted, they start doing so many crimes. And even like what happened is like, for example, in even if you might also feel, suppose in a room, if so many people are there, you feel very frustrated, you feel like just instantly you feel very angry, like if you are staying in a room very compact. So just think about, okay, an entire country where there is a large population, so there is increase in the crime rates. Okay, then energy crisis. Okay, like it can be a natural energy, all those, and so it affects because of population explosion. Then overcrowding of cities, or what we call it as urbanization. Okay, so everywhere it is overcrowded in cities because people, they are coming to the cities for the job, or even for coming for medical checkup, or for study purpose. So all this, it comes under the effects of population explosion. Then other than that, we have increase in housing problems, because the house where, so that's why if you see, especially we have so many areas where people are just living in slums, Mumbai slums we have, and because of that, what happened, they are not, because of staying in that slum area, they are not even having adequate space to live. They don't have adequate water, lack of proper sanitation, and so many, and they are prone to so many various type of diseases, especially the communicable disease. Okay, and increased demands of medical facilities. So this, for example, if you see in GMCH, GMCH is the main center, as you can say, for Northeast. So because of the, if you go to GMCH, everywhere the hospital is overcrowded. Some people are sleeping on the floor, some are just lying outside. Why? Because even though the government is trying, but still, because of overpopulation, all the medical facilities, it is not adequate for population. Okay, because of overpopulation, increase in waste generation, I have already said, then shortage of educational facilities. Okay, all these issues also comes because of the overpopulation. Okay, so this is all about, briefly about, what do you mean by population explosion, causes and the effects of population explosion. So these three things you should understand. Okay, so do you have any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No means whether you understand everything or you don't understand anything.
Yes, ma'am. We
Understood, ma'am.
Understand, ma'am.
Okay, actually this is actually a very simple topic. Okay, so and
Yes,
this
ma'am.
it comes usually, it is a very common question asked also. Okay, be it sometimes they used to ask only what are the effects of population explosion, or they might ask only the causes. Okay, so but this, if you understand it, even in your own also you can write, you can add some more points if anything that you want to add related to causes or what can be the effects of population explosion, you can add that. Okay, so I hope everyone is clear. So anyhow, if you have any doubt, I'll be sharing the slides in the group, so you please go through it and you can ask me in the next class. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
I think
Thank you. Thank you.
for the morning.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you everyone.